Located on the outskirts of the city of Vadodara, Gujarat, is a manufacturing facility that produces world-class paints and coating for some of the biggest industries in India. Welcome to Grand Polycoats, a leading brand in high-performance protective paints and coatings for over 4 decades. The journey began when Mr. Bharat Choksi, a first-generation entrepreneur, started formulating high-performance coatings in his kitchen, where he pioneered the use of polyurethane coating systems for industrial purposes. Mr. Choksi has always been determined to benchmark himself against the best in the world, and his vision rightfully gets acknowledged by the industry veterans. Grand Polycoats encouraged its customers to make a shift from using traditional enamel paints to the highly durable 2-component polyurethane and epoxy-based coatings to combat the problem of corrosion in their enormous chemical plants. This innovation revolutionized the way industrial assets were protected and led Grand Polycoats to transition into the OEM space. Today, Grand Polycoats safeguards a variety of business segments such as power and electrical, agricultural and constructions equipment, oil and gas and many more. With a wide range of products such as high-performance polyurethane coatings, specialized epoxy coatings, highly flexible yet rigid elastomeric coatings, and rapid-drying polyurea coatings. Grand Polycoats also offers a range of eco-friendly powder coatings, next-generation quick-drying high-solid coatings, and has introduced a new line of products for the automotive refinish market, which is available all across India through GP's very own retail network. To meet the specific customer requirements, GP goes a step back to formulating its own resins to ensure the performance properties are met invariably. This customer-centric performance and persistent innovation has attracted leading Indian and multinational engineering equipment manufacturers as GP's customer base, making it an approved global supplier. This means Grand Polycoats coating protects a substantial portion of India's engineering equipment exports. Grand Polycoats facility is spread over 3 acres with world-class manufacturing units having a capacity of 1200 metric tons per month. It consists of 6 manufacturing buildings, a raw material storage with a capacity of 250 metric tons, a PISO-approved tank farm, and a Class B warehouse. 250 dedicated GP family members share a common vision of innovation driven by customer requirements. Grand Polycoats is a part of a larger group of companies founded by Mr. Bharat Choksi that also include Admark Polycoats Private Limited and Novosis Green Technologies. Admark Polycoats Private Limited is one of the world's largest epoxy curing agent manufacturer, which exports its products to more than 36 countries worldwide. Novosis Green Technologies is an exporter of cardinal-based green chemistry and also manufactures cardinal and its derivatives from cashew nut shell liquid. Grand Polycoats has been a passionate believer of ESG, and all the plants in the group are certified under TUV Nod for ISO 9001 Quality Management Systems and ISO 14001 Environmental Management Systems. GP takes pride in working very closely with government organizations. Its commendable feats include developing a unique and specially designed paint for ISRO in less than 6 months and pioneering the use of an extremely quick-drying and very high abrasion-resistant polyurea coating for hydropower project tunnels. Grand Polycoats also contributes substantially to CSR by supporting organizations who help children in education, hygiene and healthcare sectors. The company also distributes books to the children of its factory workers to help them pursue their education.
We always try to provide new and innovative coating solutions. In 1983, the spirit of entrepreneurship took me to Germany, where I learned about the new polyurethane coating technology. I started experimenting in my kitchen and eventually started this coating business, Grand Polycoats. The technology that has brought us here in evolving, and that is why our focus is to keep on introducing better technology in the market for our valued customers. Our mission is to bring perfection in protection as we prioritize developing customized solutions to protect our customers' assets. At GP, our mantra has always been profit, growth and happiness for everyone.
Over the years at Grand Polycoats, we hold on to this mantra, and with a mix of cultures and values from our team members, the GP family continues to stride forward, creating new benchmarks and leading the path to technological advancements.
While we constantly innovate our products to deliver the best to our customers, we are also working to innovate our go-to-market strategy. Over the last 4 years, we have developed a retail network to increase the reach of our products to a larger audience. This, coupled with our foray into new segments such as powder coatings and coatings for pipeline, have helped us to capture a wholesome growth path. At GP, we treat every customer requirement as a new opportunity for innovation, and that has been our biggest strength.
With its ambitious yet grounded outlook, Grand Polycoats aspires to replicate the past success with a modern approach in multiple segments, while always keeping the customers at the center of it. Grand Polycoats, perfection in protection.